Could you please tell me how you would know that your tyres on this car have sufficient tread depth and that their general condition is safe to use on the road?
Yeah, I would get a tread depth like checker.
Yeah.
And then it has to be 1.6 mil or over on like the outside tread edge thing.
Yeah.
And then I'd check for any bulges or nails and things like that. And if there's none of that, then you're all good.
Lovely stuff. I really did think you were going to say I'd ask my dad.
No,
Okay.
I would not ask my dad. He would be like, I can't believe you don't ask to do that, Millie.
Do that again!